Mastering possessive pronouns with sentence rewriting. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our grammar series. In today's video, we're going to focus on a very important topic: possessive pronouns. These are a fundamental part of English, and today we'll practice using them with some sentence rewriting exercises. Ready? Let's dive in. Possessive pronouns are used to show ownership or a relationship between the speaker and the noun. They include words like my, your, his, her, its, our, their, and whose. Remember, these pronouns replace a noun, making sentences less repetitive and easier to understand. Here's a quick example. Instead of saying, "This is John's book," John's book is red, we can use a possessive pronoun to make it, "This is John's book. His is red." Sentence rewriting is a valuable exercise to help you understand and apply the correct usage of possessive pronouns. By rewriting sentences, you'll learn to identify where and how to use these pronouns, and it'll soon become second nature to you. Plus, it's a great way to practice your English grammar skills. Let's jump into the exercises. 1. The dog belongs to John. The dog is very playful. Try to rewrite this using a possessive pronoun. The correct rewrite would be, his dog is very playful. 2. The cake is Sally's. The cake is delicious. Try to rewrite this using a possessive pronoun. The correct rewrite would be, her cake is delicious. Remember to take note of the context. Is the sentence talking about something that belongs to John or Sally? If yes, then that's your cue to use a possessive pronoun. Let's increase the complexity a little. 1. This car belongs to my parents. The car is brand new. The correct rewrite would be, their car is brand new. 2. The ball belongs to the cat. The ball is fluffy. The correct rewrite would be, its ball is fluffy. And that's it for today's lesson on possessive pronouns. Keep practicing these sentence rewriting exercises to solidify your understanding. Remember, practice makes perfect. Stay tuned for our next English grammar video. Until then, keep practicing and keep learning. You're doing great.